So myself, Anshika Jain, I just gave CUET exam in which I scored 100 percentile in two subjects, that is political science and history. I got 96.4% in boards exams as well. So firstly, I'm really grateful to this app CUET Mock Test, which gave me quite a confidence that yes, I can crack this CUET because I could practice a lot through this app. They gave me assignments, modules, then the very questions through which I could judge myself. Okay, this much part I've prepared, or this much I need to focus more. So yeah, that was really good. Firstly, then secondly, for students, I would like to give advice. That is that please go through NCRTs throughout the year, not just 1 month before the exam. If you think that boards are not sufficient, boards are not required in this case because CUET is there, so please don't think at all in this case, because the syllabus which is there in CUET is considered in board as well. Like the syllabus is overlapping, so you don't need to study anything else for CUET. The syllabus for boards and CUET is same. So you need to go through the whole NCRTs completely so that you can get a rough idea, okay, what is there in the syllabus. Then the siders, which students mostly leave, they should not be left at all, like timelines, as in I talk about in political science and history. So, and geography too, of course, the main subjects, domain subjects. So, timelines and the siders are really important. Characters. So, please go through that as well. Main content may not be that much of weightage of that weightage in CUET, but then it is important too. Okay, so yeah, this is what I want to say. Plus, go through like mock test weekly, maybe if you are not prepared enough, Abhi say. So you can go through those mock tests weekly so that you can judge, okay, this much I've done or this much I require more. So that you can also judge ki, okay, lack kaun sa part kar rahi hu main. So that you can get rough practice. So yeah, this is what I want to say. All the best to you, all of you. And इतना कोई सीन नहीं है वो you all can do it.